What's up, guys? Today's day 1593 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we're currently near Silverton, Colorado. This is a day in our lives. Last night we camped here at a rest area with a really beautiful view of the mountains and a lake here. I think this is Giberson Lake, and not really the best place to be sleeping in because we're really close to the highway here and it's actually really loud. I got woken up many times during the night. Some of the cars were just really zooming by, trucks, really loud. But the view here is beautiful. It's a good place to hang out during the day, just to maybe cook something and have a nice view, but sleeping here probably not the best place that I would like. We just got up not too long ago and we're actually gonna be going to the Silverthorne Library, the public library, to do a story time with Spencer. That's something that we want to do a little bit more these days, is to do story time, play, and music, and have Spencer meet up with other kids. I think that should be pretty fun. It's a 6-minute drive from where we are. Let's head over there first before we do anything else. We might do breakfast afterwards, so let's go there first and we'll get started. I got you. Hi, Spence. I'm going to be steaming some purple yam and corn for breakfast. Story time's about to start, so what I'm going to do is I still need to steam this for maybe another 5-10 minutes. So I'm going to move it over to the induction cooktop to have it finish cooking, because this thing has a timer. I can get it to cook for, I want to say, another 5 minutes, and then it will automatically stop. All right, let's go inside the library. Cooking, and then we'll come back to eat later. Yeah, let's do story time. Really nice area. That was a really fun story time session. Spencer did really good. I didn't do any filming inside because there's a lot of kids there. But Spencer participated with the reading and dancing and paying a lot of attention, so he did really good, right? Did you have fun? Yeah. All right, let's go back in the van. Let's eat some breakfast first. Is it? Tissue. This is purple yam. Yeah. Is it hot? I'm trying the beef sirloin that I got from Costco. They're pre-made ones. Let's see how good this is. Very thinly sliced, but Still pretty pink, so looks pretty good. Let's try out this Costco steak here. It's not the most appetizing looking. You have to cook it. They did it pretty thin. But you want to try a piece too? Yeah. Let me cut you a small piece. No? Okay. The flavor is pretty good. It's got a nice pepper flavor to it. Not bad. They cut it really thin, so when I put it on the pan, it's hard to make it hot, warm, without overcooking it. So like it was kind of pink in the beginning, but now it's like it's all cooked. But it's still pretty tender. Pretty good flavor. And the sauce adds to it too. It's pretty good. This could be like a good breakfast steak. We don't want to really do the whole steak thing. Just take it out of the pouch, cook it for, how long did it take me? 5 minutes maybe? And then this will be a good breakfast. Not bad. We're leaving Silverthorne, Colorado now. We're making our way back into the city of Denver. It's going to be about an hour and a half drive from where we are. Spencer just fell asleep. He's taking his nap. And we're going to go find a spot later on to see where we're going to have dinner. Gonna be picking up a bubble tea here, Moji tea for Rena. There you go. Hi, Spence. You woke up? Mama got a mango Pho Saigon. You're hiding it from him?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink everything.
Okay.
I don't know.
Some bebe. You don't want bebe? Good.
I'll show you.
You gotta drink some more. Let's go to a park, yeah? It's really nice out here in Denver.
More, Mama.
It's 74 degrees right now here. Oh, that looks really, really good. Alright, let's drive to a park. We'll play for a little bit. We found this playground here on Google Maps. Looks pretty big, pretty cool looking. Let's go check it out. This is the Westlands Park. Whoa, this playground is massive, isn't it?
Mama.
Massive.
Mama.
You wanna go down the slide?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can climb down. Walk down here. That's a good way to go down, yeah? It's a pretty nice playground, isn't it, Spence?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a coffee to go. Coffee? Yeah. Yeah.
Do you have coffee to go for Mama?
Yum, 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 yum.
Can I have a mango?
Yeah.
May I have a mango, please? Oh, thank you. Num 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 num. What about a pineapple?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big pineapple. Num num. Can I have water, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me.
Milk. Okay, I'll take a milk.
Mama.
And water? You want some?
Mm-mm.
No. Okay. Thank you. Can you give me a hot dog, please?
Yeah.
Yes. I'll take one, please. Oh, thank you. Num 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 num. Nice. Yeah. Nice climbing there, buddy. We're leaving the playground now. We're making our way over to a spot where we're going to be having dinner. We're going to be having Vietnamese pho. There's a spot that we always come to when we're in Denver. It's a really good, economical, and really good tasting pho. So let's head over there first. This is the spot that we're having today, Pho Saigon. Let's go inside. I think this spot has one of the most economical price foods, Vietnamese foods in Denver. I mean, a bowl of pho, small, is only $12. Medium is $13. That's very reasonable. You can choose from all these different kinds. Of course, they have a lot of other options besides pho, like the noodle bowls, vermicelli noodle bowls, udon, and you got the rice dishes too. I think I skipped over it. Yeah, the rice plates here. All the classic Vietnamese foods that you would expect to find at a Vietnamese restaurant. Spring roll. We ordered a appetizer. This is the pork spring roll. Looks really crispy. You wanna try some of that, Min Min? Say. Thank you.
Mama.
Try out the pork spring rolls. So crispy.
So good. Ấm đi rồi.
Let's try the crispy pork spring roll here. Whoops. This is so good. So good. So savory, and the fish sauce, sweet sauce, goes so well. We're gonna order a cup of salty lemonade.
Mama. Salty and sweet and lemony.
Spencer likes it too.
How's the spring roll? You like it?
You like the crunchy? Pretty good, right? I guess the proper way to eat this would be to use the lettuce here, wrap the spring roll, add a little bit of the noodle here. There's some carrot, some cilantro, peanut, and what else? Try
Bean sprout.
bean sprout, and add a little bit of the sauce. And you wrap it like a little lettuce burrito. It's so good. Rita ordered a plate of grilled pork with rice. It's pretty good. And I ordered the special pho. It's got everything. Got the raw meat here, beef flank, beef tripe, tendon, and it's got a little bit of everything here. Looks pretty massive. A lot of meats too. Look how much meat this is. Wow, look at that. Look at that. The noodle is separate because I want to give this to Spencer. But yeah, look at how much meat this is. This is what, $13?
No, this is Mama.
Yeah, this is,
Mine.
there's a lot. Brisket in here as well. everything. This is looking so good. Yeah. The grilled pork.
A lot of chocolate
Yeah.
flavor. It's so good.
Mm.
So tender. You just bring in the fish sauce. That's intense.
Yeah, too much, right? I'm not gonna be eating any of the noodle. I'll save it for Spencer. Try out the broth here. Oh, so flavorful. Mm. Yeah, we really missed the pho noodles here. We haven't had pho in a long time. When was the last time we had it? Salt Lake City. But this is really good. Try out the meats here as well. This is just a big bowl of meats. Mm. Mm. You got the flank meat here. Mm. Yeah, I really think that this spot here is the biggest bang for your buck. I mean, look at how big this bowl is. All the meats and a whole separate bowl of noodle here. This is like full of noodle. For $13. Like, I don't think there's any other spots in the US that's like this price and this tasty as well. More soup? Yummy? Mm. Here we do a soup cheers. Cheers. Mm. Yours, yeah, that's yours. This one is Tata.
Dada. Poo-poo.
Popo's, yeah. Spencer's liking this noodle too. And the soup as well. Really good, right? Mm. We just got done with dinner. I think this spot is phenomenal. Really great value, as I mentioned. For $45, that's everything for this bill. We got the appetizer. Rena's was $14, mine was $14, and then the appetizer was $13. And she got the drink as well for, I think it's like $4.50. So really economical. I don't think you'll find a better value for pho anywhere else. Yeah, we had a really good dinner.
Mama.
This has become our go-to spot for pho every time we come to Denver. Just phenomenal. We're gonna be looking for a spot to stealth camp for the night. There's a spot that we were at last time we were here. So we're just gonna head over. It's a 10-minute drive from where we are. This is where we're gonna be staying for the night. There's some apartment buildings over here on this street. This is a busier street, but I don't think there's gonna be that many cars. There's a construction site right next to us. So we'll be staying here for the night. Alright guys, we're gonna be hanging out in the van for the rest of the night, and so we're gonna keep the video nice and short today. We're gonna be in Denver for, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 more days, and we'll see what there is to do here. If you guys want to keep watching our van lives, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you guys enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching. I say thank you.
Gigi.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Papa. Mama.